Hi everyone. In last video we have learned to find out the LCM and HCF by prime factorization method. In this video we will learn to find out the LCM by division method. Division method is mostly used and this method is least time consuming. So let's take some examples to understand this method. Suppose we have to find out LCM of 16 and 24. So first of all, we will write both the numbers together, 60 and 24. See, 16 and 24 both are even numbers. So both the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 8 and 12 are divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Again 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Now see here 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. So first of all we will divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2. 3. 3 doesn't comes in the table of 2. So we will write 3 as it is. 3 as it is. Now we are left with 1 and 3. So we will divide it by 3. 1 we will write as it is and 3 1s are 3. See, we have to keep on dividing till the quotient becomes 1. After this, we will stop the division. So write the LCM of 60 and 24. How we will find out? We will multiply all these numbers. Right here 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Multiply all the numbers. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 3 is a 48. So 48 is the LCM. The LCM of 36 and 45. See here, one number is even and one is odd. So both the numbers are divisible by 3. So we will divide it by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 45, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Again 12 and 15 both are divisible by 3. So write here 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. See here 4 and 5. 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is. 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is. Now divide it by 5. 1, 5 1s are 5. So we have to keep on dividing till the quotient becomes 1. Next step, it's very easy. You have to write down LCM of 36 and 45. Multiply all these numbers is equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 2s are 36, 36 5s are 180. This is a LCM. Now here we have learned to find out the LCM of two numbers. But if we have three numbers, then also we will do in the same way. Suppose we have numbers 20, 24 and 25. We will find out LCM in the same way. 20, first we will write all the numbers. 24 and 25. See here 20 and 24. Two numbers are even and 25 is odd. Here we have two even numbers, so first we will divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 0 as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 25 is not divisible by 2, so we will write 25 as it is. Again we have 10 and 12 even numbers, so again it is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. 25 is not divisible. So write 25 as it is. See here we have 5, 6 and 25. If we see it, 5 and 25 both comes in the table of 5. So first we will divide it by 5. 5 1s are 5. 6 is not divisible. So write 6 as it is. And 5 5s are 25. Again divide it by 5. 1, 6 as it is. 5 1s are 5. Now we are left with 6 only. So divide it by 6. 1, 1, 1. So here the quotient becomes 1. So stop the division. Now write down the LCM. LCM of 20, 24, 25, which is equal to, multiply all these numbers, 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 6, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 25 is 100, 100 6 are 600. So this is the LCM. In this way, you can find out LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, any numbers. I hope you understood this concept. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you.